Hi, this is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers, Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group, and Junk Journal and Paper Crafts Facebook group, and also the Ko-Fi shop of Sweet Pea Papers. Okay, so we're here today. This is video 7 in a series of our membership videos, so the flip through is always public so you guys can see what we do in there, and maybe you want to go over to the Ko-Fi shop and sign up. It's ko-fi.com/Sweet Pea Papers. All the links that I mention or sites or whatever, they're all linked below. This is called Gentleman's Notebook. You might want to guess that. And this is a Victoria design kit of the same name. And it is a men's journal in case you're looking for giving something to the man in your life. We did this in 6 videos, so that's a 6-hour project plus prep time. Okay, so we've got our front cover, which is our smoking room couch, and then you open it in here. We've got this inner paper, and this says important note, and this flips up with a circle on both sides, and then that holds this one down, which flips out. And oops, there, look, I found a card I forgot. It should have a tag on it, or a tab on it. Okay, so I'll go back and put that in. And we'll put the tab up at the, or probably at the bottom, because otherwise it'll interfere with our closure. Okay, page 2 is an envelope held on by magnets. Okay. I love some of the patterns on some of these papers. This one looks like leather, this pocket, and it holds a card. On this side, these library cards are held on by a brad, so they can kind of swing. And then you can swing both of them out of the way and you have space to write. You can write on the library cards as well. So you got all kinds of places to write on there. On this side over here, it says timeless. I put that on. Then I made a card with a tuxedo on it because I think a tuxedo is timeless. This is our center almost matching pockets with 2 large writing cards. There's one here and one here, and they go all the way down. You can see the ends of them down here. I learned my lesson about pulling them out during a video. We've got 2 little pens. We've got a ink pen with a nib. Okay, get in there. And then we have a feather pen, or a quill. Okay. Then on this side is a page that you just kind of look at, but it also has an acetate pocket that I didn't put a card in, just so that you could look at the image. But it won't hurt to put a card in. You just take the card out and you can see the image. Okay, this over here is an envelope that's held on by this little decorative paper clip. Take the paper clip off and pick the envelope up. This is our pinstripe, which is our trim for the book. Not a whole lot of it, but it is consistent throughout the book. And then when you flip the envelope over, you've got our grandfather clock. Open this up, and then we have our quill pen again on a card. So we put this back. Oh, and then there's this image behind. You can have a place to write if you want to. So now you have to be kind of careful putting this back on. It kind of catches the paper. It's not a very big paper clip. And it does it on either side you try to do it. So I think I may get a bigger paper clip to put on there. I have some bigger decorative clips. Like these, and I have a pewter. Or black. On this side we have a stuffed gusseted pocket There's all kinds of tags and stuff in here. On this side is a belly band with an envelope. It opens this way. The envelope has a card in it. And then here's your belly band. When you open it this way, you can take your card out like so. Okay? And it has a nice image on it as well. And the last page, it's kind of crazy. It looks like it's not stuck to the page, but it is, because it opens up like this. Okay, with a giant belly band and a giant card. And then a writing area here. And it flips down. And it goes down this way. This is all held by magnets. And it goes down this way. And it has a place for a big card. Look, I found another spot that I missed a card. And then you have a writing area, but that also means that it opens, you do it this way, all the way up that way. Okay? All right, so that's the end of the book, minus 2 cards that I missed. And then you get to the back page, which looks like a library. Okay, so that's our gentleman's notebook. And like I said, this is in our membership area notebook series or book series that we do. We usually do 2 a month, sometimes just 1 if it's a big project. It just depends. This December, we had a big collaboration going on, the Terry's Crafty Christmas collaboration, so make sure to see that. There's about 50 videos and such going along, and plus I had surgery on my arm, as you can see, on my elbow, bruised me all the way around. So yeah, so I'm still recovering from that, so we were only able to do this one smaller project for December. But make sure to check out the Terry's Crafty Christmas, hashtag Terry's Crafty Christmas, to see all the Instagram videos and YouTube videos and flip throughs and all kinds of different things that you can get and see in that. If you're watching this at some later date, then you can always go back and check out the Terry's Crafty Christmas videos. Okay, well that's it for this. Be sure to go over to the coffee shop, and check out the membership. There's 2 different, well there's 3 levels, 2 levels get you the videos and a store-wide discount for the, I sell the journals there as well. All right, well you have a great day and a Merry Christmas, and I will see you in the next video series, either through Sweet Pea Papers or through the Sweet Pea Papers coffee shop. Bye-bye.